Just drilling some bolts out. Real rusty crude. I got that like perfectly centered. Come back. Really?
What happened?
Broke the freaking drill bit off.
I told you it's not going to be good.
Damn. But I can get that extractor in there now. Is that real good?
Yeah.
I'll be here.
Just looking over, seeing you roll around on this bike.
Dude.
Got it.
Freaking pulled right out. But the drill bit's broken off inside there somewhere.
Yeah, whenever we rebuild this shock again, we can put in that thing again.
I don't even have to take the drill bit out, it's broken off inside there.
We got the shock mounted up here. I didn't film it mainly because we weren't sure if we had a GoPro here, and we were just trying to quick do this. But shock's mounted up, we'll show you more in depth for later. We're debating on whether we're going to go with the 2-seat route. It would be cool. The idea of it's cool to be able to slip on a 2-seater seat and a 1-seater seat. But our execution was kind of poor. I have these little tubes they slide into at a slight angle, and it makes the seat look slightly angled, and yeah. And it's too far gone to cut and strain them out. So we'll see what we end up doing here. But the bike is rolling in.
So firm.
Jesse's about to be the first person inside this engine. Taking off a cover in a long time.
There it is, boys. Yeah. Hey, there's right here. It's my drill. Oh, yeah. I went a little bit in, but
that won't matter. Oh yeah, look at that. Yum.
This is good. This is disgusting. This is absolutely great.
How much money for you to eat it?
I did a 10-piece.
Okay, cool. Tell the people how you feel about this.
Irritated. Really irritated.
Just wants to get the cover off.
Yeah.
Ton of grease in here.
Yeah. Lots of strip bolts. Lots of broken drill bits.
Broken hearts.
Mainly broken hearts.
We put the shock on. This is just going to be a quick update video, and then we're going to have to put the seat on. Like I said, we're probably going to do the one-person seat, and that'll be what I attack next time I'm up here. I need to compress the seat to fit in these slots, so I'm going to need some big zip ties to get it to fit before I weld it together. And then we'll do a battery tray and run some wiring, test all the routes for the wiring, and then I'll go for powder coating. All the way. All our new boards from Dime City.
Yeah. We don't need the old ones.
Oh, yeah. That's pretty clean.
That's a stator and rectifier. Or not rectifier, that's just a stator.
Now there's that gasket's not
So you got that chain tension. I feel like that might be a little loose. I don't know.
I'd have to look into it.
I'm not sure.
It's kind of
Not
close to
bad.
the outside. Like it definitely rubs.
Yeah.
That might be loose. Something to look into.
I hope this works.
It looks pretty clean.
It's gonna suck if it doesn't.
Yeah, it will.
We'll have to mount an alternator to the front of it.
Yeah, totally.
So good. Someone commented on the Instagram on my last post about it not starting for 30 minutes and then it was out of gas.
Yeah.
He said, I chased an unknown electrical issue for 2 days and then, oh yeah, and then I realized my kill switch was in the off position.
Oh my goodness.
Honda's like dirty. Something like that.
Something like that. This isn't going to show us much.
No, this is just valves. We could take the whole head off.
If nothing's like super seized up. I wouldn't mind getting one through the time machine.
There's a rubber mouth. There.
On there, yeah. Great. Don't disappoint the people.
What?
Don't disappoint the people.
It's gonna happen.
This is like
Where
in a TV show when they go to commercial right before.
I'm gonna reach over here.
Yep.
It's like the stupidest thing to have stuck in my head.
Yeah. I don't even know where I went for in the song there, but.
Come on.
Yep.
Got him.
Oh yeah.
Is there something holding this? Wow.
We're way blacker on this side.
Yeah. Taking the head off.
About to take the head off this cb350.
Yeah.
If we can get past the seat bolts. We're gonna try and do this
Strip bolts.
15 minutes or less.
You gotta show them the clock again.
No,
Not on that one.
I'm trying to get them an angle where they can see things, so I'm gonna try.
Yeah, this one's gonna need drilled too. If you like to do the honors this time, please.
Sure, why not? As straight as possible in here. Sure, why not?
Can you spin the bolt up?
No.
Okay, good.
No. We can always drill and re-thread a hole in there too.
It's not
Yeah, it doesn't.
I don't think there's a drill broken off in there. Is there?
I don't know.
I can't tell.
I don't know.
Doesn't really matter.
I don't want to make that call. Alright, so 15 minutes starting now.
Okay.
Get inside.
Now we need to take those off.
Yep.
And those are 12s.
I'm going to spin us this way. Give us a little more angle. Everybody.
And that's the tack.
Mm.
It's on the cam.
Mm-hmm.
Now we need a rubber mallet on that. Oh, there's screws back there. Of course there's screws back there.
They shouldn't be bad though. Everybody.
Wanna have a real good time.
Nasal spray and baby days.
Yeah?
You know what
What?
baby days are?
No?
That's Q-tips. Q-tips used to be called baby days.
Baby days.
Q-tips just a brand.
Really?
Yeah. Back in like the 80s, 70s.
The more
60s.
you know.
Yeah. They were called baby gays. You go up to your mom and be like, Mom, I need some of those baby gays.
She'll be like,
Or if you're a mom, maybe say to your kids.
I'm not a mom.
Yeah, but I'm talking to people.
Oh, okay.
They're watching videos of mom.
Seems like a lot of moms enjoy these.
Takes me right back to small engines class.
I wish I had a small engines class.
We literally had braids and strands that were like 15 years old, and every class before us took them apart. Yeah. And you had to take it apart and get it running again.
Nice.
And they were always missing parts.
I would have loved that.
Yeah.
Like effort to do that.
Yeah.
Okay.
I need to go your way. That's just my lube. Lube to my lube, you know? That's stupid. Here, grab outside. There you go. You spin.
I spin?
Yeah. Or I can spin. Wait for it. Yeah, there. No, I need to spin again. I don't know that I can. Yep. You're like free.
Yeah. Right there. Okay. So there's a ring on either side of the cam.
Yes.
You're gonna get that one off if you can.
The ring?
What? I guess no, you're good. I just didn't want it to fall down into the.
Unhinge yourself.
That's just gonna drop down into the abyss.
This chain was all nice and loose before, now it doesn't want to come off. Everybody going to the party. Yeah, whatever. I don't care about you. I feel like they're pretty obvious.
Like head cover or something?
Yeah, yep, like it.
Is it free?
It's been freer before. It sounds like there's something still in there. Maybe I just need to want it. I can also pry on it too.
I don't think there's any more bolts.
I don't want to break a fin either.
There it went. It's just been on there for a while.
This can go in the parts cleaner.
Yeah.
It's good.
Nice.
Alright. Yeah.
Yep, there they are. I took cylinders off with the cylinder off today.
That's a
I think we got to take the tensioner off, and that's like it. This head doesn't look bad. The springs aren't busted. It's a good sign.
The tensioner's seen some better days.
Ooh, yeah, that's gross.
Yeah.
Valves
are what they are.
They might not. Who knows if they're leaking or not?
No. Do you need to take the tensioner off? No, it just lifts out. Ready? These actually don't look that bad.
No, they don't. Wow. This looks really bad.
Yeah, tensioner needs replaced. Guide isn't terrible though.
But while we're here, we might as well put rings on.
Yeah, rings are cheap. I don't know if you guys can see this, but they're not garbage. There's no real scoring in there.
Score. That was productive.
I don't know if I'll just
give that a feel.
Oh yeah.
That's pretty bad.
That's very bad.
Yeah. Maybe that's the noise we're hearing.
I would say probably, because this one's clean.
How did the cylinder?
Yeah, the cylinder wall did not look bad, but maybe I should give it a second feel. So a little bit of scuffing in there.
Or a lot of it.
Just a little.
Yes.
Well, I can pick up the pistons. They're not expensive. They're cheaper than this.
Really?
Yeah.
Dang.
Like you can get OEM pistons off the eBay, like from the original inbox, for cheap. Real cheap. I don't feel it would be right in here. No, honestly. There's no scoring.
Yeah.
A good hone, I think. Yeah. This
Nice.
piston should probably leave at some point.
Yeah.
Also, there's a ton. Alright.
Just gonna turn this light down.
Semi-productive day. Got a fair amount done. A lot of random junk. Jesse tore into the motor and got that shock mounted, which is a step in the right direction. So we'll get this video out and it'll be a nice little update for you guys. Yeah, so Jesse, tell them what that is.
Tell them what this is right here.
Tell them something.
I just was putting some sockets away and I saw this 22, or yeah, it's 22.
Yeah.
That was shaved down and then split in half, then electrical taped and then zip tied. Seems legit.
Sometimes you need a 22 and you only have one. Yeah, tell them about the wrap.
What wrap?
It's a wrap.
Oh, it's a wrap?
Oh, nailed it. That was really good.
It's a wrap!